I'm so excited to unbox this. If you've been following me for a while, first, thank you so much. You probably know Jessicurl is one of my top favorite curly hair care brands of all time. They did an end of summer giveaway over on Instagram. I shared it with my followers, but I also entered it myself because it had some good stuff in it and I really wanted to win, and I won. So thank you, universe, finally throwing a bone my way lately. And I thought, let's do a live unboxing. So here we go. I am left-handed. I hold scissors and cut things very awkwardly. I feel like every time I do an unboxing, at least one person likes to tell me that. I'm very well aware. My mother-in-law, who I miss dearly, whenever I would go over my husband's house before we got married, whenever we carved jack-o'-lanterns, she would be so nervous watching me carve them. Yeah, but I miss her. She was a great woman. But let's keep this open and keep this not making me sad. This is very well wrapped. I'm so excited to see the inside. So, did I get all the, okay, here we go. So, opening up, you have the right to remain curly. Yeah. Just thinking of Jess too. She was another person who was also way amazing and gone way too soon. But anyway, let's not get sad. So, when you open up the mailer and try not to let it fall on you, what we have. Congratulations, I won summer giveaway. Thank you for entering. We hope you enjoyed the last rays of summer and this helps you have a smooth transition to fall. The Jessicurl team. Oh, this is packed so nicely. So then this is what it is. So stuff's dropping. The first thing, which I'm so happy for this. This is Jessicurl did, I guess, a collab with Hothead. And this is a deep conditioning hat. It's an exclusive design with Hothead. It's a flaxseed cap. What this is you put it in the microwave and heat it up, so any deep treatment that you use is going to help penetrate better. This came at the perfect time for me because I've had a Hothead for probably close to 15 years and my Hothead's lived its life. I actually contacted the Hothead team a month ago because I've noticed the one that I've had, it's not holding its heat as long as it used to. So I asked them hey, how long are these supposed to last? And they're 2 years. So I was due for a new one. So this perfect time, beautiful pattern. This will be well used and loved. So that's the first thing. And then under it, you see more beautiful presentation, A+, just the product performances. So the next thing we have, over here, we have a little scalp scrubber. Just feels like the little silicone grippies. You could use it in or out of shower with shampoo or for massage. I like that this is kind of concaved to fit your head. Could do this actually right now. Wash day, give myself a little more volume. Feels nice too, but it's the next thing. Amazing. Next we have, oh, this is the Hothead plant-based shower caps. That's awesome. I never heard of that before. Biodegradable, waterproof. That's so cool. That's so cool. Next we have some Jessicurl products, which I personally can never have enough of. The first thing is this stimulating scalp massage oil. So I admittedly love Jessicurl's line. This is a product I feel like I should know better than I do. This would be for the scalp for hair growth. I definitely have to start using this because my hair has been thinning. So with an scalp oil, I do use a topical daily, but I also use an oil whenever I wash my hair, so 2 to 3 times a week. So that's how often I'll be using this one. Great stuff in here for hair growth. I'm trying to read the font. There's the basic carriers. There's coconut oil, jojoba, olive, and then the essential oils in here we have peppermint, rosemary, eucalyptus, lavender, every essential oil that is going to help your hair and your follicles, promote a healthy scalp and encourage hair growth is in here. Horsetail, peppermint, did I say peppermint? Nettle, basil, I'm having trouble reading it, guys. I'm sorry. Burdock, my eyes. I have to get to the eye doctor. Marshmallow root, a whole bunch others. So that's the first thing. Next, we have a full-size bottle of the clarifying shampoo, which I'm so excited because I have a mini travel size when it first launched, which that alone lasted me so long. So this is gonna last me like half a decade. You know, I only clarify like 2 to 3 times a month, but it's such a great clarifying shampoo because it really does get all the buildup, the toxins, and all the gunk out, but it doesn't like strip your hair of the natural oils you need, and it does a good job resetting and making my hair really bouncy. So I'm so happy to have a full size of this. And then we have a tube of one of my all-time favorite deep treatments. If you are protein sensitive, this is like the best protein-free deep treatment you could get. And even if like you do like protein, it's good to use a full-on moisture treatment every so often. You could also use this as a leave-in if your hair is super duper like dry. Like in the winter, I'll go in with a little of this as a leave-in, and it does say on the package to use it in to 30 to 60 minutes. But if you don't have that much time, you could totally use this in for 5 to 10 minutes and still get amazing results. Like when my hair is dry and thirsty, or like the wash after I do a protein treatment, I'll use this and my hair drinks it up. It's so soft and silky. I can't say enough good things about this. Also, a little goes a really long way. Oh, stuff drawer, sorry guys. So yeah, amazing giveaway. I'm so happy I won. Thank you so much, Jessicurl. And honestly guys, if you haven't tried this brand, I can't recommend them enough. Like if you said like what's one curly hair brand like to recommend, they'd be the first one I go with. And something else really cool with them on the website is you could order like paquette samples, or you could even get like travel size 2 ounce. So because I can understand if you've never tried a brand before, like you might not wanna like go with like this size off the bat. Once you try them you will, but you could get like this size in like the shampoos, conditioners, styling products. Spiralicious, my holy grail gel. So like totally try the travel sizes first. It's like even like packets, like something like this, but like little samples of stylers first. Makes sense. So yeah, thanks again, Jessicurl.